Hi guys, what we're looking at. Hi guys, what we are looking at is a thunderstorm here. We're under a thunderstorm coming. Oh, you hear that thunder, guys? Yeah. It's one of these summer storms that we have here. It's coming from that way. Yeah. Oh, it's coming. I can feel a temperature change. Yep. That way, up that way. It's a thunderstorm. You know how I can tell? It's thundering. This is as far as I'm going because it's raining. Looks like we're about to get hit hard. Rain's starting to blow here, so I'm going back up. Thunderstorm in that particular area. Okay, bye guys.